Hey everyone, Andre here with Wings Mobile Detailing Franchise, and today we're showing you how we run smooth operations using one of these state-of-the-art mobile detailing vans. And so we got Tony here to show us around.
Yeah, definitely. Let's take a look, and that way you will show everybody how easy it is to operate one of these mobile detailing units, and that way you're going to be more efficient with Wings Mobile Detailing.
Perfect. I'm excited to see it.
Let's take a look. We have this model, this is more for the smaller vans, but we have like a bigger model for the full-size vans as well. Like for instance, this one here, this beautiful Wings Mobile Detail unit that we have back there. That one, we have a specific structure for the size of that van.
So this is where everything is, the equipment. Yeah. And it's beautiful because you don't see anything from the back.
Exactly. So we try to utilize, for instance, this is the compartment for the water tank, and right on top of the water tank, we like to utilize the space with a nice shelf in order to carry your pressure washer, your air compressor, and as well your vacuum. Once again, everything is connected in remote control, so that way you don't have to be pulling out things, and that type of stuff. As well, you have your, I call it gallon size holders, but you can also carry, like your different products, that we use on the daily basis, just storage, As well, you can keep your table, your buckets, and you have more space right there if you would like to put anything else in that area right there. Once again, everything is made out of aluminum all the way to this point, right?
Nice.
Let's take a look at the other side.
Let's do it.
A lot of stuff to kind of talk about in this mobile detailing units, but one of the main keys or main things that I like to talk about is when it comes to being business owners, right? We want to be able to have something that you can always pull it out if you ever have any issues with the bank, for instance, because as a business owner, like a transmission can go out, the engine, anything related to the suspension, and sometimes you have to bring the vehicle like for a week or two to the shop. It can be the body shop even. Sometimes things happens. But anyways, having something,
buy a new van, for example, replacing the fleet with something.
So with a newer van or whatever, you want to be able to pull it out, and this entire structure is made out of aluminum, so it's lightweight. It doesn't get rust. We are playing with water all the time, so we want to make sure that this thing is not going to get rust. We have everything on retractable reels, and the reason why we like retractable reels is because it's easy, to pull it out, and push it in, that way you don't have to be winding it up. The only one that is not retractable is the vacuum reel for right now, until we can, come out with something, else, But once again, everything right here as well is made out of aluminum. We have some good products over here and everything. You have, your drying towels, and a nice rack, over here, your brushes. Is everything nice and easy and accessible, in order to be able to perform the jobs quicker, because that's kind of what we are looking, right?
Yes,
we want to be more efficient in the field. That way, you're gonna be able to, if you have a technician, you're not gonna have them, like kind of unwinding, stuff, by hand.
And time is money.
Time is money. We want to make sure that whenever we are out there, maximize our time.
Now, how does that work? If we can pull it out, I know people like seeing, pulling it out and see how the units operate.
This is our air reel. All you gotta do is pull it, like this, and then it's gonna lock in place. And then if you want to bring it down or bring it back, pull it again, it's gonna be in place. So as soon as you get to a job site, you are ready to work, because everything is in remote controls. You just press a button right here. And like for instance, the pressure washer, you press number 1, you pull it,
start working, operating.
You can start doing it right away,
efficient.
So once again, to bring it back, pull it back again, you're good to go. If you want to run your polisher, you have your power cord right here.
Power cord as well. You can connect anything you need.
Pull it back, just like this.
And all of this is connected to the generators, which is on the side as well.
Correct. Everything is connected.
You don't have to bring anything out.
No, that's
except for products in a letter.
Product in a letter, your tools, like your brushes, little things like that.
everyone who's interested in starting a detailing business with efficient systems as well, including the equipment, which goes a long way. Having the beautiful van, everything nice set up. Check out the website, link on the description. And once again, nice to be here. Nice to see you again.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you.